In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can temporarily disable your Instagram account in 2020, and this will work on both Android devices and iOS, so let's get straight into it. So I just want to demonstrate that if you go to your profile icon on the bottom right, and then you tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you go to settings and then help center. This is the old way of how you would temporarily disable your account. If you go managing your account and then tap on delete your account, and then how do I delete my Instagram account, it will give you the option to temporarily disable your account instead. I'm just showing you the old way, and then we'll get into how you actually do it. It tells us now, if you pause and read, that you cannot temporarily disable your Instagram account from within the app. So we have to go to a browser, and we're actually in Chrome. So I'm just going to go to instagram.com, and now you want to log in. And now I'm logged into Instagram, and tap on your profile icon, and then you want to go to edit profile. And now you can scroll down and it says temporarily disable my account. You tap on that, and then you have to give a reason. So why are you disabling your account? Just say too many ads. And then you enter your password, and then you tap on temporarily disable your account. And that is how you temporarily disable your Instagram account from a mobile device, either an iOS device or an Android device. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.